Importing files from SketchUp to Lumion. Now that we learned the concepts for preparing 3D files, we will learn how to export files from SketchUp to be imported in Lumion. And here is the SketchUp file. We've got it from 3D Warehouse. Just like we did in preparing 3D files lecture, the first thing to do is to apply materials placeholders, which means assigning different materials to different objects. We will also delete trees and use Lumion trees instead. Now we will save the SketchUp file as it is, and it will be accepted in Lumion. So we will go to File, Save As, navigate to where we want to save the file, give it a name, and press Save. And here is our new SketchUp file. Let's go to Lumion, press Import, navigate to where we saved the file, press Open, give it a name, and press OK. Click in our Lumion scene to place it, and press Escape to quit placing. In the upcoming lectures, we will learn how to manipulate landscape, move our project around, and assign different materials. But we will do that with the other twin villa project, and from this point, all the SketchUp users can follow us along.